Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: adaptive cruise control, driver convenience package. Your new ride is just a phone call away.